School teaches math, science, and history, but there is one financial truth almost nobody teaches. Most people spend years studying, yet struggle with money for decades. The biggest financial lesson begins after graduation. A good salary does not automatically make someone wealthy. Many people earn more every year, but still feel broke. Because income is only half of the story. The other half is what happens after you get paid. Every dollar has a job. If you don't give money a purpose, it disappears. Most people work hard for money. Few people learn how money can work for them. That simple difference changes lives. Let's imagine two friends. Both earn exactly the same salary. One spends almost everything. The other saves and invests a small amount every month. At first, they look exactly the same. Months pass. Then years pass. Now their lives begin to look different. Small choices become huge results. This is called compound growth. Growth starts slowly. Then it begins to speed up. Patience is often more powerful than speed. Most people underestimate time. Time is the greatest financial multiplier. Money grows best when left alone. Constant spending interrupts growth. Successful investors understand this simple habit. Rich people often buy assets first. Assets can put money into your pocket. Liabilities usually take money away. Learning this changes the way you spend forever. And this is only the beginning. The next lesson is even more important. Now, let's talk about the biggest trap, lifestyle inflation. As income grows, spending often grows even faster. The result? More money, but the same financial stress. Real wealth is what you keep, not what you spend. Saving is important, but investing is what helps money grow. Inflation quietly reduces the value of your cash. That's why money should have a purpose. Emergency savings protect your future. Unexpected problems happen to everyone. Preparation reduces stress. Debt is useful only when it helps create value. Some debt buys assets. Some debt only buys temporary happiness. Always ask yourself one question. Will this purchase make my future better? Smart questions lead to smart decisions. Every dollar you save today buys more freedom tomorrow. Freedom is better than showing off. Many people buy things to impress strangers, but financial confidence comes from security. Money gives choices. Without savings, every decision becomes harder. With savings, opportunities become possible. Knowledge creates confidence. The more you learn, the better your decisions become. Financial success is mostly about habits. Small habits repeated every month create amazing results. Consistency beats perfection. Don't wait for the perfect time. The best time to begin is today. Even small amounts matter. Progress is built one step at a time. Keep learning. Keep improving. Your future depends more on your habits than your income. In the next part, you'll discover the financial truth that separates workers from wealth builders. Here's the biggest difference. Workers trade time for money, while wealth builders own assets that keep producing value. Time is limited. Assets can continue working even while you sleep. Every asset is like a small employee working for you. The more productive assets you own, the less you depend on one paycheck. That's why wealthy people focus on building systems. A system keeps working even when you're resting. This doesn't happen overnight. It grows one habit at a time. The first habit is paying yourself first. Save before you spend. Even 10% can make a huge difference over time. The second habit is avoiding unnecessary debt. Interest can either help you or hurt you. Choose the side that makes money grow. The third habit is never stop learning. Knowledge often produces the highest return. The fourth habit is patience. Most people quit too early. Successful people simply stay consistent. Consistency beats excitement. Avoid comparing yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday's version of you. Small improvements add up. Money rewards discipline more than luck. your daily decisions shape your future. Every choice is a vote for the life you want. You don't need to be rich to start. You become rich by starting. The first step is always the hardest. After that, momentum takes over. Don't chase quick riches. Build lasting wealth instead. Real wealth grows quietly. One smart decision, repeated for years, can change your life. In the final part, we'll bring everything together into one simple financial truth you'll never forget. Now, let's put everything together into one simple idea. Money is not the goal. Freedom is the goal. Money simply gives you more choices. The more choices you have, the more control you have over your life. Financial education is one of the greatest investments you can ever make. Every book you read can change one decision. One decision can change your future. You don't need to know everything. You only need to keep learning a little at a time. Remember this simple formula. Repeat that process for years. That's how ordinary people build extraordinary wealth. Schools teach you how to earn a living, but it's your responsibility to learn how to build wealth. The one financial truth schools never teach is this. It's not how much money you make. It's how much you keep, grow, and let work for you. Start today, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you. If you learned something new today, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple money lessons. Share this video with someone who was never taught financial education. Remember, small habits today create big results tomorrow.